She was the most beautiful and beloved woman in all of the kingdom of the Gamba. Princess Yennenga, as precious as she was to her people, none could match the love her father had for her. He praised her not only for her unmatched beauty, but her skill with the sword, spear, and her gift in riding and taming the most powerful stallions. Indeed, the king showed her off well. Her strength and courage even put his greatest warriors to shame. Despite being praised as one of the greatest warriors in all of the Gamba, a high honor amongst her people, Princess Yennenga was often conflicted. Sadness became a common theme throughout her days. You see, the princess wanted her prince. Yennenga asked her father to give her away in marriage, but her father refused. "How can I lose the Gamba's greatest warrior to marriage?" Her father's proclamation deeply saddened her. Her words fell on deaf ears as she begged and pleaded with her father. One day, she got an idea. She planted a beautiful field of wheat, which impressed her father. After seeing the excitement he had and how he boasted about her agricultural prowess to his elite friends, she allowed the wheat to rot. Her father, troubled by this act, said to Yennenga, "My love, what is the meaning of this?" Yennenga, realizing her moment has come, gathered her courage and told her father, "You see, father, as precious as you say I am, still you let me rot like the wheat in this field." Her father, filled with rage, immediately locked her away in the palace whilst his pride recovers. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Saddened by her condition, the king's horsemen proceeded to help Yennenga escape. He dressed her as a man and gave her her stallion. They rode together gallantly through the night, the North Star in their vision and freedom on their minds. But as time passed, they were met with Melenke warriors. The king's horsemen knew that they both would surely die if they fought. So with all his strength he fought the Melenke. One by one they fell. But sadly, his efforts weren't enough, for he was killed. But his heroic effort distracted them away from Princess Yennenga as she fled. Yennenga pressed forward, heading north out of the land of the Gamba, her home. Soon, Yennenga found an elephant hunter named Rael. He cared for her and gave her shelter. Rael, not knowing she was a woman because she was dressed as a man, did not at all recognize who she really was, the heir to the throne. Princess Yennenga saw that Rael was a good man and decided to reveal who she really was, and the two fell deeply in love. Yennenga and Rael had a son they named Weyodrago, which means stallion. Her lineage went on to create a nation, the nation of Burkina Faso. Today, in Burkina Faso, the beautiful Princess Yennenga is acknowledged as the founding Queen Mother. If you like these videos and would like to see more, you can support us on patreon.com. The link is in the description box below.